as you can see, I've spent my time checking the template to size. So I know the snorkel should fit when I cut to size. Had a bit of adjustment with tape to do around it. But yeah, we'll try it outside now on the truck. Right, it's lined up with a wing there, and I've taped it up, remarked some of the holes, taped into position, removed my hole, got some marks. You can see where I've adjusted the template. That's the inner hole, funny enough. Lined it up with the top. Obviously I've taken the airbox out for the moment, like so. And that's the inner hole, which kind of doesn't line up with the hole of the snorkel. But I guess we'll figure that out. So what I've done is just pilot hold everywhere just before I go for making them bigger, just in case when I hold it up it's all moved, and then I can just bore it out to where it should be. Right, so this here is where the template said. I've drawn another line there, and I've made the hole bigger, so it sits on like this. So originally it was down like that, and it wouldn't sit flush on that end. So I've redrawn a line and put a line on sort of straight onto the body, and I've got it in this sort of tight, but I've still got like a gap, but at least it's like going to clear the door. And then it kind of fits better, but it has got a gap there. But that was better than what it was, because before, like again I say, it was back where the template said. It's kind of like that.